Okay, this is Shra Shra, and today we're making New England grilled lemon butter shrimp. Look at this. You know you're gonna enjoy this. Oh, almost dropped it. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Shra Shra. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. For this recipe, we're gonna need lemon juice, granulated garlic, Old Bay seasoning, parsley flakes, a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, olive oil, and shrimp. So for this shrimp, I have about 30 16 to 20 count shrimp, and we'll be skewering these up to grill them. Okay, so to our shrimp, we're going to add about a tablespoon of granulated garlic. Put that in there. Okay, we're going to add, I'll say about 2 tablespoons of Old Bay. All right, add a little bit of salt and pepper, and about just over a quarter cup of olive oil. Okay, and then we're going to add about a tablespoon of our parsley flakes. Okay. Get this sealed up. Okay, let's massage this all around. Okay, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. I mean, you can go longer than that if you want, but not by much more. I would say max. All right, so we have our now marinated shrimp. They're marinating for just over an hour in the fridge. We have our skewers that have been soaking for over an hour. And now let's get these skewered up. All right, let's lay these guys out. See if we can get a good pattern on them. Because we're going to double skewer them. I think 5 is enough here. So we're going to take our skewer, go through the top. Be careful not to poke yourself. When you lay them out like this, it makes it a little easier to skewer. And of course, you can do them one at a time as well. Through the top. Now let's do it through the piece of the bottom. Carefully. And the reason I'm double skewering them is to make it easier to turn over or to turn while they're grilling. And that's one, see how easy I can turn this over? So that's going to help. Okay, let's do another one. I try to have them going all the same direction, but you know, sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. Either way is fine. Okay, let's get these guys skewered up to the top. Straight through. See, once you get going, you can get faster with it. Next one. See that? Again, piece of cake. You know, it helps when you have them already laid out You know, but like I said, you know, if you want to do them one at a time individually, hey, you can do that too. It'll work out. It may take you a little longer, but hey, you'll still be able to get it done. So let's make our sauce and get ready to put this on the griddle. So for our sauce, our basting sauce, we have our butter. It's been melted. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. All right. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes. Just a tad bit of olive oil, maybe about a tablespoon. A tablespoon and a half, that works. And then we're going to mix this up. Get it mixed up, and this is what we're going to baste with. So it'll be a nice, buttery, herbal kind of basting solution. All right. Now let's okay, so we got our cast iron griddle here. And I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of canola oil to help the shrimp, you know, not stick as much. You know? And we're going to be grilling these shrimp for about a minute and a half to 2 minutes on each side. But after the first flip, we're going to start basting. All right, looks like it's hot enough. Let's start getting these skewers on. There we go. Give these about a minute and a half to 2 minutes. Then we're going to flip it. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half. Let's get these flipped. Smells amazing. Okay, let's baste these bad boys. These basted. Okay, do this for 2 minutes. We're going to flip and baste again in 2 minutes. Go ahead and flip these bad boys over. All right, now let's baste this side. Okay, we're going to give this about 40 seconds. And you're going to pull them and plate up. Okay, let's pull these. Get it right on here. Right on top of the lemon. And one more. There we go. It's nice. Now we're going to put a little bit more of our basting solution on it. Nice buttery lemon butter. And there we have it. Hope you enjoy this recipe. It's going to be delicious. I can't wait to sink my teeth into it. But let me give you a flyby before you leave. This. Wonderful. Oh, it tastes delicious. I can smell it. Good to go. If you like this recipe, definitely try it out for yourself. Like, comment, and share. This is New England grilled butter lemon shrimp. That being said, this is Shaw Sherrall. Guess what? I'm out.